Do you want to know how to add a transparent overlay on your social media stories? You know, where the picture is kind of faded? Doing this can make it easier to add a text overlay, create curiosity, or just shake things up in your stories. For more help and tricks with social media marketing, go to my free private Facebook group, Create Stories That Sell. I'd love to see you in there and help you build a profitable business online.
Okay, so we're gonna open up Instagram because that's where we can do this. Oh, swag dog. If you're not following him, best dog ever. Okay, so that's a side note. So we're gonna click the little blue plus sign, create a story. Here you can see I'm super proud of myself. I'm making this video on Christmas Eve and I actually finished up all of my wrapping already. So to add the transparent overlay, all we're gonna do is go up here and click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and then we're gonna click the draw, okay? And then we are going to click this center button, okay? You can see how it highlights. And then you can choose which color overlay you wanna do. So maybe you want to do black. I click black at the bottom, then I click the picture and I hold it down, and you can see it adds it. Let's undo that. Let me show you what it looks like with white. So I click the white, I hold it down, and there you can see it adds the white transparent overlay. So I could then click the done button. I could write something like, just finished up wrapping Christmas gifts and got this notification. And so I could either, at this point, I could leave it. Let's take off the background. Let's make the text black. Right? So you can see how easy it is. So I can leave it like this and make the next story, like this could be a 2-series story, right? Or I could just add in the picture here, which I'm gonna do for the sake of this. So I'm gonna make it businessy. So in 2024, this one video on YouTube of mine got 759 hours watching it. I love marketing my business on YouTube. All right, and then I'm just gonna click the arrow to post this to my stories. So I click share, and then I could add this to my highlights if I wanna add it to YouTube, and then I click done.